guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick little unboxing. These prints I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on. I've been waiting for them to be in my hands so I can be sure of their quality, of any little mistakes here and there that I need to clean up. And one of them is so special. This is the See Yourself piece I did last summer, actually, around this time. But before we get to all that, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you will always know when I have something new loaded up for you. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Please do that in case I do anything random that you don't want to miss. Okay, so let's open this baby up and see how it turned out. I hate unboxing things like this because if it doesn't turn out right, then I can't. Then it's like I don't want you to see. I'm just being fully honest here because it makes me so uncomfortable, like being totally vulnerable, if you will. Okay, guys. So here some of them are. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Just look how beautiful this is. Oh, hello. Look at her. They look so good. I'm so happy. Look at this. This beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, okay, so these are good. I'm gonna save the best for last. I'm so scared to look at it. I'm so scared. I don't want to find any flaws because, well, that means I can't sell it because that's the only size that it'll work in. So, hold on. Here's this next one. Okay. Looks so spectacular. Oh, I love it when I get samples. It's like a party. It's like Christmas. But like, they're just samples. But this is gonna be a 12 by 12. But because of the way her gown is, it's too sprawled out to be any different size. So this is beautiful. Okay guys, here it is. This was my See Yourself piece. I do not sell the original and I will not be selling the original, so don't even ask. Look! Oh my gosh. This is the one I was really freaking out about because this is the largest. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I don't have a lot of my prints available in large sizes. None of my pieces have needed to be this large except for this one. And mainly because of the way that I had, I'm so happy. Sorry guys, hold on. Mainly because of the way that I created it. The pieces, the clothing on the hangers goes so far up close to the edge, I had to find a size that could fit everything in and nothing would be cut off. Look. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful it is. Look at this. Look at how stunning this is. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's a 20 by 24, so it's very large. But I love that, and I wanted it to be, but I love that it encompasses the entire piece and all of the vibes. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm so happy, guys. Just the texture, and it turned out so good. Well, there we have it, guys. I love doing this. I love opening up these packages. Don't get me wrong, it's like you know what you're ordering. It's not that I don't, but it's that it just gives me the first glimpse into what you guys will be receiving. when you order something from me and this print shop sends it to you. The paper feels so good. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? I am deeply satisfied with these prints. And there's so much more coming to my shop too that I haven't sold before, and I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed this today. Just the anticipation. I hope you felt it through my vibes. I'm gonna pass it on to you guys. But anyway, y'all have an amazing day. Thanks for joining me. Bye.